Hello there, moin moin ladies and gentlemen, Donspektor here, finally, with another headphone unboxing. And I have for you something hopefully very fine from Hifiman here. Hifiman, insurance here, ineffective once the seal is damaged. Yes, today we are unboxing the HE6SE, yes, version 2, which I got myself in the latest summer sale, summer clearance, however they call it, because I was always curious about this. I've heard people say it's really good for the price, and some people say it's actually better than Aria or something around the like 1,200 bucks-ish, and I thought, yeah, let me also see for myself, because my good old trusty, wait, Sundara here, I still like very much, and you can see it has clearly been used. The actual artificial leather here is peeling off inside and outside, and I've been using this not daily, but very much in an almost weekly schedule, because it still sounds very good, very natural sounding headphone, and also like the comfort of it. And this one, let's see what it can. So first, that's the box that comes in, and we already removed the foam, that's not needed, and the silica gel, tasty snacks out of that. And let me get up and try to remove it from the box. And the box is also out. And now we have the inside of the box here, and I apologize if sometimes it's not as sharp as it usually is. The problem is the box is too big, so I need to move my camera more up, which then means I can't see it. So yeah, sorry if it's sometimes a bit unsharp. I try to do my best to give you some time of focus here. And I hope it's also centered. Let me just double check. Still centered, we're in the good, okay. So, this is the HE6SE, very non-descriptive box, which could be because I bought the refurbished version, which comes with the same warranty as normal Hifiman headphones. So, I see no reason to spend more money for basically the same product. And let's check if there's more glue that needs to be opened. No. And then this should open just like this. And this is, yeah. Register your product for 12-month warranty. Okay, so I think this is the accessories. Follow us on social media. And this doesn't seem to be too valuable. Oh, and I see the surgical tubing cable. Oh yeah. Ooh, okay. I have not seen it live, I have to admit, when I was on CanJam last year. I didn't see these cables because usually they have fancier third-party cables. But yeah, this is the infamous Hifiman cable tubing. What the hell is going on? Is this an XLR cable? Does this have a locking button? Oh yeah, it has. Stupid me. Yup. That's XLR, so you get an XLR to 6.3 millimeters, and what should I say? This is, you can see it here. You can, you know, I'm also not a fan of the Hifiman cable tubing. This is not a great cable, and as you can also clearly see here, it's rolled, so it stays rolled. And this thing is heavy as hell. Like the middle connector here, probably would have been better off with a pointer connector. And that's it. No more accessories. That's all you get. Let me quickly throw that out, because that's not needed. And then we come to the star of the show, the actual headphone. Let me remove the box. And double check that we actually centered. Yeah, okay. Still centered. Okay, so that's the 6SE, and as somebody who has also owned the HE6SE, oh, this is very close to the HE6SE. This here is plastic, as far as I can tell by judging from the looks of it. And at least it swivels, though. It's not a lot of swivel, like, let's say this is 5 degrees. This is like 10 degrees, possibly. And it comes with similar pads to my Sundara. Let me quickly get Sundara in. And let me apologize again for the beaten state of my Sundara. Yeah, it has been worn, and I like it very much, so that's why it looks a bit beaten. So yeah, you can see this is Hifiman headphones, and what already is apparent to me, this is it a bigger driver? I've never looked up the diameter of the drivers here, but you can see that the cups here are definitively a bit bigger. And you can also easily see this is definitively more like transparent than this one. This has way more density going on. And that's why people recommend to actually remove the back mesh here and replace it with something 3D printed. And other than that, let's quickly check. Yeah, that's already a small scratch. I mean, it's a refurbished unit. I expect that. Not a big deal to me. It's just a small optical imperfection. And at the bottom, two 3.5mm connectors. And let's quickly check the actual tilting. Okay, so 90 degrees. Seems to be fine here. Overall build. Oh, this is a thick and not very squishy head padding here. I've heard people complain that you're getting a hot spot in the middle. Let's see, I might be able to mod this a bit, and in my review about it, I will talk about it modded and not modded. And here you have the branding and no, okay, LNR indicators here in the middle. It's not so well visible though, I would prefer some color-coded things. And let me quickly extend it. Extend mechanism has a decent click to it. And extends like a lot. So this should be fitting most heads out there. Clamp, let me quickly check clamp. Yeah, the Sundara definitely has less clamp. And also what I can easily see here, you can see by the depth of the pads. Yeah, those are thicker pads. It's not a lot at the front, but it's a bit thicker. And unfortunately, they use the same artificial leather as the Sundara. So I'm pretty sure this will also deteriorate in a few years max, and you need to buy new pads. On the inside though, yeah, you can see the famous or infamous, not sure, diaphragm that the HE6SE uses. And you can also see the metal plate in front of it. In the Sundara though, the fabric here is a bit thicker and it's basically impossible to see through. Like you see there's some additional like protective grill there, but it's very difficult. While here, yeah, you directly have the driver, and that should definitely lead into better details. Although, again, like this protective like grill thing here with holes, not sure if that's the best way to do it. And what else do we have here? There's no indication of how long. Yeah, there's have the knobs here, so you could count knobs. And it's the same Hifiman style that just scratches over time. And here you can absolutely see this has been used. There's scratch pattern on the inside here and the like extension mechanism. But overall, okay, there's also a small tiny scratch on the top here. But for a refurbished unit, this is fine. Like I have, so I don't see many imperfections here that I would usually say this is returnable directly. Pads also look like they are cleaned or new, no issues here. And weights, oh yeah, this is definitely weightier than the Sundara. I can already tell you this is a lot weightier than Sundara. So I forgot how much Sundara was, I think like 350 grams or so. And this feels like it might be 100 grams more or something like that. This is definitely chunky. So I hope I can get the mods in some time, because it possibly also will include an additional headband to get it actually comfy. And yeah, I think that's it. That's the unboxing for the Hifiman HE6SE. I hate the names Hifiman gives the headphones. Sundara, like. Okay, yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have questions, if you have recommendations, if you have criticisms, please leave a comment. Donspektor out.